Join the Toyota lineup for the 2023 model year as the brand's flagship sedan offering, replacing the Avalon. Being such a recent model, we expect no major changes for the 2025 model year. Toyota hasn't officially revealed the 2025 Crown yet, but we're expecting minimal to no changes to its exterior design. The Crown differs from its predecessor and its competitors by blurring the line between sedan and crossover. Its shape is decidedly car-like, but the Crown's ride height and ground clearance rival that of some small SUVs. The 2024 Crown is offered with 2 powertrain options, and we're not expecting any engine changes for 2025. The base engine setup is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder paired with 3 small electric motors with a combined output of 236 horsepower. The top-of-the-range Platinum trim is powered by a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder paired with an electric motor that combines for 340 horsepower. The Crown is unique for this segment in that it's both hybrid and all-wheel drive only.